How to change your city on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your city on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and now go down and you will find here this one, profile. Click on it and here you will just all you need to do, just click on your city on this pen here and then click or your here click this place on your name, your city name, and then change it to anything you want and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.